So there are a couple ways to replace a missing tooth. Some are removable, that means they come in and out of your mouth, and other ones are permanent, which means they stay in your mouth all the time. The removable option is a partial denture. That's a bulky prosthesis with plastic and metal that hooks onto your other teeth, and you have to take it in and out, and you take it out when you sleep. The options that are permanent are a dental implant or a dental bridge. The teeth that have to be shaved down for a dental bridge are more likely to have sensitivity, more prone to decay, cavities, and potential fracture. Where with a dental implant, you're replacing that one missing tooth without having to do any damage to the teeth on either side. A dental implant is replacing that missing tooth with an independent individual tooth. So we place the implant into your mouth and it acts as an artificial root for the tooth. And then a permanent crown tooth is placed on top of that. You can floss it, you can keep it clean as you would any of your teeth, chew it and eat with comfort, and it would feel just like your other teeth.